Yes, consistent characters with just one photo. And I decided to make an experiment and play with mine. Let's check out the results. But imagine the potential when you have your character, your Pixar character, your character based on you, or even an image you like. The potential is here and this is fabulous. Let's check it out. I just added a photo of mine and then described the prompt. First, I wanted a selfie with a colorful robot. Then I wanted to be in a spaceship. Still talking to a robot. What about a princess? A businesswoman in a meeting. It made me older and fatter. Oh my god. As you can see, this is pretty brilliant. And it's free. Let's do it. This is the tutorial. Quick and easy. Let's check out the interface. You have image to video, text to video, and subject reference. And here the magic starts. Just upload your photo, describe your prompt, generate. How simple and brilliant this is. Don't forget to respect the rules, read them, because with great knowledge comes great responsibility. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your project. Thanks so much for being here in my journey with me. Bye bye for now.